Hi everyone and welcome back to Maverick Tarot with me, Monica. आज हम बात करने वाले हैं जून की एनर्जी रीडिंग्स के बारे में। जो पहली बार ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, दिस इज ए जेनरिक रीडिंग। इसमें जब मैं कार्ड शफल कर रही होती हूँ, आप अगर कोई इंटेंशन, कोई चीज़ के बारे में अगर सोच रहे हैं एंड उसका आपको एक तरह से जवाब मिल जाता है थ्रू दिस रीडिंग, राइट? सो यू कैन सेफली कंसिडर दैट टू बी द आंसर दैट यू आर लुकिंग फॉर। ये जेनरिक रीडिंग का प्रिंसिपल है फॉर पर्सनलाइज्ड रीडिंग्स। यू कैन ऑलवेज रीच आउट टू मी। जो भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप ये देख रहे हैं, यू कैन ड्रॉप अ नोट एंड आई विल गेट इन टच विद यू। ठीक है, नाउ मे वॉज अ लॉट, मे वॉज वेरी डायनामिक, मे वॉज transformative, and as per whatever I had said in my May readings. Moving on to the month of June, right? This is almost mid of the year. I sense energies of balance. I sense energies of alignment. I sense sweetness of love. I sense a lot of things, and let's see कि cards क्या बोलते हैं. What are we most likely looking at for the month of June? Generic reading. Alright, nice. Okay, so we do not have any major arcana card, but there are a lot of small things happening in the month of June. कोई माइलस्टोन पे आप पहुंच सकते हैं, या माइलस्टोन अभी रिसेंटली आपने क्रॉस किया होगा. देयर कुड बी न्यूज ऑफ, अगेन कंटिन्यूइंग फ्रॉम द last month, there could be a news of some solid foundation, some milestone, some marriage, something solidifying जो बोलते हैं कि okay, this is a step, अभी इसके पीछे हम नहीं जा सकते. We have reached a particular place, हम एक जगह पहुंच चुके हैं. That kind of an energy, celebration, achievement, right? Those sorts of, we are moving from the energies of that onto somebody, or an energy where you have to be very clear about what you are speaking. एक तरह से आप ये बोल सकते हैं कि an energy of say what you want and get it, be articulate enough, be assertive enough, and जो चाहिए वो एक अच्छे तरीके से मांगो और आपको मिलेगा. So that kind of an energy of an authoritative energy with the use of speech, right? तो इस तरह का जो एक बोलते हैं एक फेज है जहाँ पे आपको अपने खुद के लिए खड़े होना है, आपको अपने आप के लिए स्टैंड लेना है. वैसे regardless of the readings or anything, you should always take a stand for yourself. But yeah, specifically a very a phase where somebody is sharing knowledge, or you're thinking about sharing knowledge, or you're thinking about a creative project which relates with speaking, which relates with clever thinking, which relates with a lot of logic. ठीक है, या तो अगर आप कोई बिजनेस में है या अपने काम में है तो लॉजिक से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी चीजें ओपन अप हो सकती हैं. एंड the entire theme of June is coming towards slightly on the side of love and relationships and opportunities. So there is a possibility कोई opportunity आपके पास आ सकती है. अब ये business में भी हो सकता है, ये कोई relationship में भी हो सकता है. You might get infatuated with someone, you might get attracted with someone, you might see someone approaching you, and that sort of a thing. ठीक है, a lot of क्या बोलते हैं, the energy is creative in nature. Foundation है, achievement है, and then moving on to a creative adventure, a creative pursuit. ठीक है, तो the energies are saying कि आप जो कर रहे हैं वो करते रहें. आप हाल ही में अभी आपने एक माइलस्टोन क्रॉस किया है या कर रहे हैं, ऑलमोस्ट एट द एंड ऑफ इट. ठीक है, there is some big change which has happened, or some achievement which you have had, or you probably might have come out of something and now the gears are settling in that kind of a phase. You've won something, or you've settled with something, and the cards are saying continue to do your small things. अपने छोटे मोटे जो भी चीजें हैं उस पे ध्यान देते चलिए, अपने क्रिएटिव परस्यूट को खास करके अपने आर्टिस्टिक साइड को, अपने क्रिएटिव लैंग्वेज के तरफ स्पेसिफिकली, लॉजिक के तरफ स्पेसिफिकली, यू कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ energies getting directed towards over there. So thankfully we don't have anything very heavy this time, but yeah, it's like, okay, milestone reached, now it's time to to continue doing what you were doing and focus your energies on the creative side of things, on the birthing side of things. कोई चीज को स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करना या कोई चीज को 100% एक्सेप्टेंस से स्टार्ट करना, दैट काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी. ठीक है, सो ओवर एंड ऑल जून इज, like I said, I sense a lot of sweetness in this month for some reason. There is a chance कि हमारे मई के जो energies है they will of course flow in the June month as well, but it's time that we take the matters in our own hand and focus our energy on what is coming rather than what has gone by. जो गया है वहां से lesson of course लेना है, but अभी currently focus on the opportunities that are coming in. So we have the Four of Wands, we have the Queen of Swords, and we have the Page of Cups. ठीक है, so एक्शन से काम लेना है, दिमाग से काम लेना है, और इमोशंस भी इस महीने they will play a role. All right, so let us try to close this and let me bring up my angel. Oh, lovely. The first card that I see is Off Balance, which is what I was thinking जून के energies हैं. ठीक है, so let's ask our angels. Today I feel like doing this reading. What are we looking at in the month of June? Nice. Creative pursuits, the need to bring balance and fun into your life, juggling multiple priorities and balancing the budget. So again, yes, a card of constantly juggling, a card of constantly trying to balance things. Angels are indicating कि आपको ये चीज करते रहना है. ठीक है. Second is the Queen of Earth. As I said, कि energy of birthing है, energy of stability है, energy of all queenly energies are very first of all they're very soft, and second of all they are always creative in nature. So the card says generous, practical, gracious, materialistic, ability to make anything more beautiful, artistic, a love of family and home, be practical about how you proceed, a love of art and beauty, a sensible approach, right? So you can say focusing on the feminine aspect of yours. It's not just कि only females are feminine. Even men have their feminine side, which is very creative in nature, which is very caring in nature. तो एक तरह से बोल सकते हैं घर गृहस्थी में भी the energy could come कि you really want to create a very peaceful atmosphere, or you want to do something very creative about your home or something, कुछ ऐसे placement आपको change करना है ना, all those kind of energies. And it relates to Pentacles, so definitely this is somewhere related to your finances, to your work, and it could also mean a creative approach about your health. And इसको solidify करने के लिए आ रहा है Eight of Fire, which is ability to multitask. There could be a business travel, and in general this means a lot is going on. ठीक है, balancing का card आया है, the card of Eight of Wands या Eight of Fire आया. This shows कि बहुत कुछ चल रहा है, बहुत कुछ चलने में अपने छोटे छोटे चीजें भी चलाते रहो, but at the same time keep your focus on the creative side. So the situations could be stressful, हो सकता है overwhelming भी महसूस हो, but know that the energies are aligning way faster than you think, and they are aligning in the creative side for you. ठीक है? So I hope this was insightful for you. If you want to understand something about yourself, आपको एक personal reading book करनी होती है, उसके लिए जैसे मैंने कहा कि you will have to get in touch with me, but otherwise keep doing what you're doing. June seems to be a month of relief. June seems to be a month where you can try to integrate what has happened and keep focusing on your actual pursuits, on your creative pursuits, where the heart goes, where you really like to do something. Okay, so no matter how many situations there are, how many tasks there are, you will be able to manage it all. All right, thank you so much for watching, and take care, and bye.